Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon bars. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your plain flour, followed by the icing sugar, then your room temperature butter which has been cut up, then your lemon zest, and you'll just want to mix it all together until a dough forms, being careful not to over mix the dough, otherwise it will be tougher in texture due to the gluten being overworked. Once your dough has formed, you can then go ahead and grab yourself an 8 by 8 inch cake tin which has been lined with parchment and place your dough into it. Then just press your dough out until you have one smooth, level and consistent layer of the dough. It may take some working with, but don't worry, just spread it out and get as level and consistent as possible. As you can tell, I used a spatula and a palette knife, so feel free to use what you need to. Place that into the oven and bake it off. All of that information will be in the blog post link below. So while your lemon bar base is in the oven baking, you can go ahead and make the topping. So for the top, grab yourself a medium sized bowl and into it place the sugar, the eggs, the lemon zest and lemon juice. Just place them all into a bowl and whisk them together until it's all smooth and consistent. For the lemon mixture to be perfect, you're just looking for it to not be granular, so just whisk until it's not granular, then pour it over your shortbread base, place it back into the oven and bake it off. All of the baking times, temperatures and ingredients and everything you need to know will be linked in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the lemon bars look like once they've baked and cooled completely. As you can tell, they don't look that great from here, but don't worry, it's all in the taste, and once you cut them up, as you can tell, you've got the base and then you've got the lemon topping, and it's roughly equal, which is perfect for this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, link to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.